Today we're going to turn a Harbor Freight garden cart into a trick-or-treat hayride. Keep watching. This is a Harbor Freight lawn cart. I use this thing all the time, and since Halloween is coming, I want to turn this into a hayride for the kids. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the size of this thing so that I can get a pretty good tight fit. For this project, you're going to need 6 1x3s, and they're 8 feet long, and a 2x2, which is actually a 1.5 by 1.5. In order to assemble the rails, a couple of things. I needed to figure out what spacing I wanted between each of the rails. So I decided on 1 inch, and so I cut a couple of 1-inch spacers. That way I can keep the spaces consistent when I'm assembling everything. And I had to also figure out then how long my posts are going to be on each corner. And these posts are actually going to be what everything gets tied into. Each of these are going to be screwed and nailed into them. And so after measuring, it looks like this is 9 3/8, and I have this lip here, and I want to make sure that this sits at the same elevation as this lip. So I'm actually going to make my post 1.5 inches thicker, since I know that this is 1.5 inches here. So let's do it. We're ready to assemble. First, we're going to drill pilot holes in each of these boards. Then we're going to nail everything together, and then we're going to reinforce everything with screws. Let's do it. There's one more thing that we have to do before we can fill this with hay and safely have children in it, and that is to mount these panels down to the frame. That way it doesn't lift up when the kids are in it. And to do that, I'm going to use these little hangers. I'm going to use 4 of them, and then I'm going to fasten them into the wood, and then I'm going to zip tie them to the frame.
we are done and ready to go trick-or-treating. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see other videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.